Whooping cough has already turned deadly here in New Mexico.
But now we're learning the reason why the cases are on the rise here. It could be because of something parents are not doing. Action 7 News anchor Tanya Mendes reports, new at 5.
It's a dangerous and sometimes deadly sound, and it's on the rise. According to the Department of Health, New Mexico has seen 126 cases of whooping cough just since the start of the year. In that same time period last year, there were just 52. And when we put whooping cough under the microscope, we found the increase could be linked to parents choosing not to vaccinate their kids.
When you're in an area that has a higher proportion of kids who are opting out of vaccination, you have a higher chance of getting certain infectious diseases.
This chart shows the climb. In 1999, there were about 1,100 people who opted out of vaccines. Now, the number has skyrocketed to 3,300, triple the amount. Joan Bombach says the biggest reasons why are religious beliefs and fear that the shots could cause autism.
Time after time after time, it's been shown that there isn't a causative link between getting the whooping cough vaccine and developing autism.
Bombach says it's definitely more dangerous to not vaccinate. Because whooping cough here in New Mexico could be just the beginning. In other countries, they've seen the opt-out trend lead to all kinds of outbreaks of serious infectious disease, like the measles, for example.
The rates of disease, including death, went way up.
The health department is so concerned, they plan on working with lawmakers in the upcoming months to tighten the rules on who can opt out and who can't. Tanya Mendes, KOAT, Action 7 News.
Whooping cough is particularly dangerous with infants and young children. Now, according to the Department of Health, most of the cases in children in our state came from infected family members.